Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, or welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. It's about 10 o'clock right now. I'm already dressed and I'm about to head out to do some runs. I gotta go to the bank this morning. I have to go to Myers and also get a car wash. Today on the agenda, we are going to go look at some houses, get some inspiration, motivation, and just some decor tips. They have a Parade of Homes event that is going on not too far from where I live, so me and my mom is gonna go check that out today. I also have to go to a housewarming party this afternoon, then probably link up with a friend later. So yeah, a lot going on today. I'm not gonna film everything, but I'm definitely gonna film these houses for y'all so y'all can get some motivation and see what real goals is like. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get up out of here and I'll see y'all in a minute. So we are here. Ma, say what's up.
What's up?
We are here at the Parade of Homes. We're about to go into that. I think they got like 5 houses that we'll be able to walk into and check out. The lighting is bad, but yeah, I'll be able to show you guys inside, let y'all see what these houses looking like. Definitely some inspiration that will be happening. So yes, stay tuned. Y'all, look at this front door. So cute. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this kitchen. Ma, you look great in this kitchen.
I know, she does. Yeah. You see? And then look at this, where you put your spoons, and then you have the knife block in here, so you're not keeping it on the counter.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's cool.
That was house number 1. We got about 3 or 4 more houses to go through, but that was gorgeous. Gorgeous. And it was only listed for what? $649.5?
$649.5.
Yeah, so cute.
Okay, cute.
So nice. So yeah, on to the next one. Alright y'all, so this is house number 2. These is actually the same builders that built my parents' house, so let's see what the new upgrades are from 14 years ago. Come on, Ma. how big this closet is. And then look, it has a whole back area for you to put like your shoes and stuff. This is gorgeous. All right, y'all, just leaving house number 2. Now on to number 3. Trey. Hopefully this one, the one, how much was that one? 580. No, it was 580. It was like 580, and then they said if you get it this week, it would be 10,000 off.
Oh, then you should get it this week.
Now to house number 3, which is this one. This one is pretty. Let's see what it's about. So that was house number 3. That one was, it was okay. It was, the outside is really nice. My mom said it's more, it looked like it could be more of a retirement home. the way they had it decorated and stuff wasn't, I don't know.
Wasn't my style.
Yeah, it wasn't our style. So
too much like my age.
Yeah, not really our style. So this is house number 4 that we are about to go into, and then it looked like we got one more after this, and that'll be it. So let's go see what this one is about. House number 5. This is the last house. This front door is so cute. Let's check it out, peeps. I don't even remember. Alright, y'all. So I have went through 5 houses today, and I am so inspired, motivated, like goals for real. But it's so sunny out here. It's so beautiful in this neighborhood. It's not loud, it's quiet, very quiet. My mom probably the loudest one right now, but it's quiet, it's friendly, and it's nice. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here because I'm not gonna vlog later on. But thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If there are more events like this in the community, I definitely will be going, so you guys can see more videos, and let me know what videos you want to see next. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.